Hi, Lisa. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired.
Oh, really? Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I went to bed around midnight. I was watching a movie.
I see. I usually go to bed early, around 10 o'clock.
That's good. So, what time do you get up in the morning?
I usually get up at 6:30. I like to start my day early.
Wow, that's early. I get up at 7:30. I love sleeping.
The first thing I do when I wake up is open the window and make my bed.
Really? I never make my bed in the morning. I just go straight to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a quick shower.
I also brush my teeth and wash my face, but I don't take a shower in the morning. I take it in the evening.
Oh, I prefer morning showers. They help me wake up.
That's true. After that, what do you do next?
I get dressed and prepare my backpack for school.
I do the same. I also check my phone to see messages from my friends.
Yeah, me too. I sometimes listen to music while I get ready.
I love listening to music in the morning. It makes me happy.
What time do you leave your house?
I usually leave around 8:15 because our school starts at 9.
I walk to school because it's close to my house. It takes me only 5 minutes.
Lucky you. I take the bus every morning. It takes about 20 minutes.
What do you usually do on the bus?
I listen to music or talk to my friend Sarah. Sometimes I read a book.
That sounds nice. I like walking because I can enjoy the fresh air.
Which subject do you like the most?
I really like math. I enjoy solving problems and numbers are fun for me.
Really? I like art more. I enjoy drawing and painting.
That's cool. During the break, what do you usually do?
I talk with my friends or go to the school garden. Sometimes I take pictures.
I usually play football or just sit and relax.
After school, do you go straight home?
Not always. Sometimes I stop by a small cafe to drink juice or eat a sandwich.
I go directly home. I usually arrive around 3:30.
When I get home, I rest for a bit, then I start my homework.
Same here. I try to finish my homework before dinner.
That's smart. I sometimes do my homework after dinner, but I always get sleepy.
Me too. What do you usually do in the evening?
I like watching YouTube videos or playing games with my brother.
I like watching series or calling my friends.
Do you help your parents with anything at home?
Yes, I help my mom with the dishes. What about you?
I help my dad take out the trash or clean the living room.
That's nice. Helping at home is important.
Absolutely. Around 9 o'clock, I take a shower and get ready for bed.
I do that too, but I usually go to bed around 10:30.
Before I sleep, I like to read a few pages of a book.
That's a good habit. I usually check my phone or listen to soft music before sleeping.
Sounds relaxing.
So that's my daily routine.
And that's mine. We both have busy days.
True. But it's nice to talk about it.
Yeah, it is. Hey, Lisa, the teacher is coming.
Oh, really? Okay, let's stop talking now.
Yeah, time for class.